Well on there, don't move. Where you get this a shot from? I know the shot there where your uncle sent them from overseas. It's not it. You can't share why?
No, daddy.
Are you stain the blasted white shot already?
Stain which part is?
What you mean you not look on where you stain the blasted white shot already? Did I tell you if you pull the pack of hands shot?
No, daddy.
But take off the blasted white shot, and you cannot save white shot. Oh, and you can't even wash white. Me have to get up every blasted day and wash white. I mean, I walk clock back at you and wash white shot. But take off the white shot and put on something dark. When the dog can't show in one in, I'm gonna put on something dark. One darker color. You know how hard it be if you take out them the grease? Nice. Nice. See that? Right now the pants little bit too bright. But we work with that. Don't wear no white, man. I don't want to see you wear no white. He's a nasty boy and you cannot care white. Go about your business now. You know how much corn and sinking gone in my hand. See if you whole wash brush and bleach and soap powder. If you wash the white and blue soap. And pull up your pants. Pull up your pants, man, before you go away. You represent me when you go road. Pull up your pants. Good. All right. Later. All right.